Night walk. Woo! Bessie Lou, Riley Sue. They are loving the weather. It's finally not hot. Ooh, yeah. Tell them, sissy, tell them. Yeah, you running right. Oh. Oh, she loves those. Oh, get it. Get it. Sissy, oh, she ran towards me. Oh my gosh. Sorry. Oh God, I gotta turn the light off. Sissy, you're funny. She literally just walks looking for cicadas. Every spot she goes on. I'm hoping to catch her, see one. Sorry for this part being boring. Zach, you might have to show me how to edit this part. Because this is getting boring, girls. It's getting boring. Oh, we won't see them over here. It's too light out. Stay tuned for Bessie attacking the cicadas at night on walks.